video I'll be discussing partnership and the nature of business of a partnership firm. Partnership results from a contract and is governed by the Partnership Act 1932. The partnership is also governed by the general provisions of the Indian Contract Act on such matters where the Partnership Act is silent. It is expressly mentioned that the provisions of Indian Contract Act, which is not repealed, will be applicable on partnership until and unless such provision is in contrary to any provision of Partnership Act 1932. The rules of contract regarding the capacity to contract, offer, acceptance, etc. will also be applicable to partnership, but the rules regarding the status of minor will be governed by the Partnership Act 1932, since Section 30 of the Act talks about the position of the minor. A partnership firm is a business organization where two or more persons agree to join together to carry out the business for the purpose of earning profits. It is an extension of a sole proprietorship. It is better than sole proprietorship because in sole proprietorship the business is carried out by the individual with limited capital and limited skills. Due to the limited resources of a single individual carrying the sole proprietorship, a large business requiring more resources and investment than available to the sole proprietor cannot be thought of such business. On the other hand, in partnership, a number of partners join together with their capital to form an agreement and carry out a business jointly. That brings me to the end of this video. If you have any queries, you can post them in the comments. Thank you.